Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 95. Yesterday, Mark Pocan released the newest episode of With Liberty and Justice for Some. He interviewed AFL-CIO President Liz Shuler. Senator Mark Warner made a pre-announcement that he's going to be looking into corruption in the White House. Very excited about this announcement and can't wait to see where it goes. Mel Bynum had today's Democratic Daily Download. This is the best episode I've seen about the budget. She talks about how in her district, the food bank isn't even going to be able to provide perishables anymore. That's what this budget is doing. New Dems have a new episode of their podcast, The Fly-In, which is hosted by Greg Landsman and Mark Vesey, and their guests were Jim Himes and Kristen McDonald-Rivet to talk about DT's first 100 days. Ruben Gallego posted this incredibly informative but simple video about the Veterans Home Loan Program, which is now going away. Dave Min and Mike Levin wrote a letter to the Florida bar calling out Bondi's misconduct. And Mike Levin has a new Substack, which will basically be like his website, but a lot more accessible. I know everyone's seen this one already, but I had to include it. Ed Moskowitz and Jamie Raskin did another one of their committee comedy duo routines. This one all about Republican waste. And like always, Sydney Comlager Dove was their hype woman the entire time. And have you seen Moskowitz's tie? If you think it's the Signal Gate emojis, you would be right. The ironic thing about this entire video is Lauren on Capitol Hill works for Washington Examiner, so she probably doesn't know what they mean. And finally, two reps brought up Andre Hernandez Romero on the House floor, Mark Takano and Robert Garcia. Most people saw Garcia's, most people did not see Takano's. I did succeed in making this really short because it's really late. For the links of all of these screenshots, head to my Substack. Comment with lipstick if you made it to the end of this video. And a shirt with a tie if you went to my Substack and read or watched the link. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.